Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by checking the simplest causes first to save time. Confirm power to the TV and set-top box, and ensure the box shows active lights. Verify the TV input matches the connected device name and the remote is using correct mode. Inspect all cables visually for frays, kinks, or loose connectors, and reseat each connection firmly. If you use an antenna, check digital tuner signal and aim or reorient it slowly for best reception. Start by replacing suspect HDMI or coax cables with new, shielded cables. Keep total coax runs under 30 meters to minimize signal loss and avoid cheap splitters. If you must split the signal, use a powered splitter or amplifier located near the antenna. Tighten barrel and F-type connectors by hand until snug, then give a quarter turn with pliers if needed. Recheck signal percentage on the tuner and reposition the antenna by small increments for best reception. Power cycle the TV and set-top box by unplugging power for 30 seconds and then reconnecting. Check for firmware updates on the TV and box and update streaming apps to the latest version. Clear app cache or reinstall an app that shows frozen or garbled channels. Test the same channel on a different TV or device to isolate the problem. If issues remain after these steps, call your provider and report the outage, including signal percentages and any.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.